there, it's Layle with Layle by Mail. In this video, we're going to take a look at my brand new Travel Time mini book project kit. So we will take a look at the completed project, and then we will take a look at the contents of the kit. So for this particular project kit, I am using the such a wonderful, I can't even say enough about it, I love it so much, travel themed collection from Simple Stories called Let's Go. And it is just super bright, great colors, great icons, great patterns, great fonts. And it's great for so many different kinds of travel. So it is not pigeonholed for necessarily flying or road trips or cruises. You could really use this collection and the mini book for any different type of travels that you're doing. So I have included a link in the description of the in the description of the video below, a link to purchase the kit, so you can find more information about that. So I am using the Simple Stories Snap album. This is the TL Snap album, 6x8, and it has room for loads and loads and loads of great content. I have also used a little bit of Nouveau White Blizzard drops to give my clouds a little bit of extra dimension and shine. That is not included in the kit, but I have linked to that in the description of the video down below as well. All right, so let's go ahead and get going. Super cute little ribbon going on here with some trim, and then a little airplane charm. As we open up, you'll see lots and lots and lots of different interactive elements. So all throughout, you have lots of room for additional photos, journaling, but I like to do a lot of interactive elements always in my mini book project kits because I think it's a great way to provide some added interest, especially for the person that is looking at your album, but also gives you lots more room for additional journaling and or photos, even adding memorabilia. And memorabilia is one of my favorite things to collect while I am traveling because it works great in your mini book project. So for example, here is a little pocket that you'll be creating, and you can put tickets in there. I've kind of sized that accordingly for airline boarding passes or different kinds of tickets that you may be collecting while you are traveling. If you are not flying, then you could put postcards, tickets, any other things like that into that pocket. I love the foam stickers that are part of the collection. I've included those in the project kit because they're just so great and give such a great added extra dimension. There we have another little interactive element. Such a fun card there, right? Boarding pass. So if you are flying, you have boarding pass information there. And if not, you have some extra papers that are not used in the kit that you could substitute that out. Again, the foam stickers, you can add a little bit of information here about your destination where you are traveling. Now, this doesn't have to necessarily be for one particular trip. You might be documenting one trip, or you could be documenting multiple trips that you've taken over the years, or even bucket list items, I suppose, of places that you would like to go. Doing some fussy cutting, so fussy cutting out that fun little suitcase there. Here's another little interactive element on the chipboard divider. As we keep going, this one is a waterfall, and you have a waterfall with a little enclosure, or closure, excuse me, not enclosure, but there you go. That little piece just folds right on down. And then you have your waterfalling cards here. And you could decide to put photos on all of those or photos on some. You have the back sides for photos and or journaling as well. Even another spot right there. So really, if you wanted to include photos on all of that, you'd have 2, 4, 6, 7. Room for 7 photos on that single page. Doing some dimensional overlays there with chipboard that's also included in the kit. You have a little hidden door here, so you can add photos, journaling, memorabilia, what have you. Another little hidden door here as well. As I mentioned, though, those little interactive elements are, from my perspective, just really, really great for adding lots more photos and content to your mini books. Have a fun little kind of getaway going on here. A little interactive element there. Now this page I have left blank. So this is a pocket page, but you could either leave this blank just for a little kind of fun see-through effect, or open pocket pages like this. That's a 6x8 pocket page. Those are great for adding additional photos, memorabilia, tickets, itinerary, hotel key cards, postcards, lots of different things with a little pocket like that. Here you have a little peekaboo, so we're having you punch out a 2-inch circle there, and then you have your little you are here geotag. Lots of room for writing your itinerary or thoughts about your travels. Room there as well. As we continue going, here we have a little kind of double hidden doors going on. So we have a one and another, and then again, as you open those, room for journaling and or photos. As we keep going, here's another little waterfall. Here we're waterfalling with tags. So just kind of fun, again, interactive elements. Here you have a large fold out. As we keep going, here you have a side pocket. So side pocket to put your memorabilia and things in. And then there are actually 2 other pockets here. So this little guy right here is a pocket. And then this little guy right here is also a pocket. Doing a little bit of either fussy cutting or work with an X-Acto knife there to tuck in our photo into that piece. And as we wrap up, here you have another, this is kind of a dual interactive element. You have a pocket, so you could add things here into your pocket, but then you also have another hidden door. So another great spot for more photos and or journaling. Here you have tags that are sliding into this partially, I don't know if I guess we could call it deconstructed pocket page. So I have cut into the pocket page so that those tags are easily accessible. You can add photos and or journaling on those tags. And then we wrap that up. So that is the completed project. As with all of the Layle by Mail mini book project kits, the kit includes all of the product that you need to put the project together, along with color step-by-step instructions and access to a 3+ hour long video where I make the project right there along with you step by step. So now let's take a look at the contents of the kit. So starting out with that snap album. The Simple Story snap albums have lots and lots of things already in them. You have 8 decorative pages, so either the polka dots and the stripes and things like that, or I should say, and the office-oriented pages. So you have 8 of those. You have 3 of the chipboard dividers and 10 pocket pages. So you have 4, 3, and 3 each of 3 different configurations. I have my little stack over here that I'm trying to grab without losing everything. You have the different pieces that you need for the cover. So you have a yard of that pink ribbon, 9 inches of that braided trim, a little piece of baker's twine for then attaching your little airplane charm. As we continue with the contents of the kit, you have the Let's Go paper pad. So it's a 6x8 paper pad. It includes 24 double-sided sheets. So you have 2 sheets each of 12 different designs. And because everything is double-sided, that just equals a lot, right? We don't have to do the math. That's a lot. You have the chipboard stickers, which are great for adding lots of color and dimension. The foam stickers, I mentioned, these are my favorite thing I think that Simple Stories makes. So you have 2 6x12 sheets of the foam stickers. Lots of titles, a few fun icons and arrows and things like that. And those are great for adding extra dimension. And then you have the papers. Oops, let me jump to this one. The 12x12 sticker sheet. So lots of stickers for adding just a little bit of additional interest and color to your photos in the mini book project kit. And then we get to the papers. So you have a full 12x12 of one of the papers from the collection, the Let's Go collection. And then you have the cut aparts. So you have 4 different cut aparts from the Let's Go collection. You have the tags, the journal elements, the 3x4 cards, and the 4x6 cards. And then wrapping up, you have a piece of the white grid, and I use that throughout the project. So as I mentioned at the beginning, you will find all of the information you need in the description box of the video down below. So you'll click that link and it will take you to the product page on my website where you can order that Travel Time project kit. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.